Look at this. The Lamborghini Aventador. A machine so sharp, it feels like it was carved from speed itself. The front stares you down with those razor-edged headlights, a predator's gaze frozen in carbon and steel. Every line across its body is a strike of lightning, sculpted to slice through air and turn heads at the same time. The paint doesn't just shine, it glows, liquid fire flowing across the curves, the kind of finish that makes sunlight jealous. The wheels, forged perfection, spinning like jewelry built for war. And the rear, that wide stance, those taillights burning like molten red signatures. It's pure theater every time it breathes. Step inside, and the world changes. Drop into the cockpit, and it's like strapping into a fighter jet. The seats wrap around you, low, tight, and purposeful, like they know you're about to command something outrageous. The dashboard is a blend of luxury and madness, with every surface screaming precision, every angle designed for adrenaline. The start button hides beneath a red fighter jet cover, daring you to press it. The infotainment system, the controls, the paddle shifters, they don't just respond, they obey with instant aggression. Even the cabin smell, the stitching, the leather, it's all crafted to remind you this isn't transportation. It's domination wrapped in elegance. And then, the sound. That V12 roars awake like thunder tearing the sky apart. Every rev sends shockwaves through your chest. Every gear shift feels like reality itself just got punched forward. You don't drive the Aventador, you unleash it. This is performance fused with artistry, luxury blended with raw chaos. It's not just a supercar, it's a statement that you refuse to be ordinary. This is the Lamborghini Aventador. Not just seen, not just driven, but lived.